Hari Om children, this is exercise number 10.2, sum number 5. Construct the network for the project whose activities are given below. Activity and its duration are given in tabulation. We have to calculate the earliest start time, earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time of each of these activities. And also we have to determine the critical path and the project completion time. That also we have to find out. Okay, let us start with the network diagram. So 0 to 1, the duration for the activity 0 to 1, the duration will be 3. So now let us draw the node 0 to 1. The activity duration is 3. Next 1 to 2, the activity duration is 8. 1 to 3, the activity duration is 12. 2 to 4, the activity duration is 6. 2 to 5, the activity duration is 3. I am drawing 2 to 5 upper side of 2 to 4 because next I have to connect 3 and 4. So 3 to 4, that is, you have to draw proper arrows. 3 to 4 duration is 3. 3 to 6, I'll draw it down. 3 to 6, the duration will be 8. 4 to 7, the duration will be 5. The duration will be 5. 4 to 7. 3 to 6 it is 8. Okay. Now 5 to 7 it is 3. Join these two. So 5 to 7 it is 3 and 6 to 7 you have to join these two. The duration timing will be 8. So network diagram is over. We have to find out the earliest starting time. EST, earliest starting time. Earliest starting time will be designated by E. At the initial node, the earliest starting time will be 0. Now you have to add earliest starting time with this duration to get the earliest starting time of the next node. 0 plus 3 it is 3. Now for 1 plus 3, for 1 to 3 activity you have to add 3 plus 12. So here 3 plus 12 it will be 15. Next 1 to 2, 3 plus 8 it will be 11. Now 2 to 5, 11 plus 3 it will be 14. E is equal to 14. Let me indicate it by a different color. Here E equals 0, E equals 3, E equals 11, 11 plus 3 E equals 14. You can draw the picture just below, a little bit below, so that it doesn't touch the table. Now 3 plus 12 E equals 15. So 2 to 5 is over. Next 2 to 4. For 2 to 4, two nodes are coming inside. So whichever is the bigger, if you add it up, whichever is the bigger, you have to write it here. Okay. So 11 plus 6 it is 17. 15 plus 3 it is 18. So whichever is greater, 18 is greater, you have to write 18. Now for the 7th node also, two activities are letting in. Now 14 plus 3, 3 nodes, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So before that you have to finish it here. 15 plus 8, you will get 13, 23. You will get 23. Now for the 7th node, 3 activities are coming in. 14 plus 3, 17. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 8, it is 31. So 31, out of all these 3, 31 is the bigger. So I am writing the biggest value. So now earliest starting time is over. Now we have to go for the latest finishing time, LFT. Latest finishing time, we have to start from the last. So it will be denoted by the letter L. Whatever is here, the maximum value, that will be L for starting. Okay. Now go from the back. 31, but we have to subtract the duration and write 31 minus 8. So you will get as usual 31 minus 8 is 23. Okay, now 31 minus 14. 31 minus 14, you will get 28. L is equal to 28. For here 31 minus 18, sorry, 31 minus 5. So L is equal to 26. Now for second node, for node 2, 2 incomings are there. So whichever is the smallest, whichever has the minimum value, you have to write it for L. So the 28 minus 3, it is 25. Similarly 26 minus 6, it is 20. So which is the least? 20 is the least, so I'll write 20 as the answer. So L is equal to 20. Okay, so all these are over. Now for third node, 2 incoming nodes are there, 2 incoming activities are there. So 26 minus 3, it is 23. Similarly 23 minus 8, it is 25. So I'm sorry, it is 15. 26 minus 3, it is 23, and 23 minus 8, it is 15. So 15 is the smallest, so I'll write 15 here. Now 15 minus 12, it is 3. Similarly 20 minus 8, it is 12. So 15, ultimately 3 is the least. 15 minus 12 will be 3. L is equal to 3. Now 3 minus 3, you will be getting answer as 0. Now let us find out the critical path. Wherever the E value and L value are similar, you have to join those similar nodes by another opposite line. So to indicate the critical path. See, E is equal to 31, L is equal to 31. E is equal to 23, L is equal to 23. E is 15 and L is 15. E is 3 and L is 3. E and L are 0. So you have to join those things. By the opposite arrow, we will start from the last. Okay. You can join it using scale and pencil. So this one is the critical path. Wherever you have given double line, what you will write, critical path is equal to, it starts from the 7th node, right? So you have to write, you can start from here, 0, from the starting itself you can write 0 to 1 to 3 to 6 to 7. This is your critical path. Clear? Now let us go for the latest, earliest starting time, latest finished time, earliest finishing time, latest starting time. First we will be calculating these two columns. Okay, so the first, you will be filling up this column with relating to the network diagram. See the activity, the first activity 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you have to relate it to the network diagram wherever there is earliest starting time. This node value 0 is your value, node value. So find out 0, find out E value in that and fill it up. So it is 0. For 0 it is 0. Next for 1 E value is 3 and you have to fill it up as 3. Next one also it is 3. Next it is 2. For 2 it is 11. So fill it up as 11. Here also 11. For 3 it is 15. For 3 it is 15. So fill it up as 15. These two columns. And for 4, 5 and 6. For 4 it is 18. 5 it is 14. 18, 14. And for 6 it is 23. 18, 14, 23. So 18, 14, 23. The next is the latest finished time. So now we are going to the ending activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 7, 7. Okay. In the network diagram, we have to relate it with the latest L value. So now node 1, L value is 3. Next, node 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. node 2 L value is 20, node 3 L value is 15, node 4 L value is 26, node 5 L value is 28, again node 4 L value is 26, and node 6 and the remaining everything is 7. For 6 L value is 23, for 7 L value is 31. So 23 here, remaining everything is 31. Now fill up these two columns. Now add up, to fill up earliest finishing time, add up duration and earliest starting time. 3 plus 0 is 3, 8 plus 3 11, 15, 17, 14, 18, 23, here also it is 23, 17, 23 plus 8, it is 31. 31. Now moving on to the latest starting time. For latest starting time, it is LFT, latest finishing time minus duration. Latest finishing time minus duration. So 3 minus 3, it is 0. 20 minus 8, 12. 15 minus 12, 3. 26 minus 6, 20. 28 minus 3, 25. 26 minus 3, 23. 23 minus 8, 15. 31 minus 5, 26. 31 minus 3, 28. 31 minus 8, 23. Now we have completed. Now we have to note EST and LST wherever the value appears the same. So here both the values appear same. So put a tick in that column, and here also it appears the same. We have to find out the project finishing time, is it not? For that only we are going to do this. And here 15 and 15 you have to put a tick, and the last column it is 23. So I have put tick mark wherever the earliest starting time and the latest starting time are equal. Now we have to relate it to latest finishing time with the marked columns, whichever value is the bigger, which value is the bigger. So out of which 3, 15, 23, 31, 31 is the bigger. This is the project finishing time. So they have asked what is the project completion time. Okay, we have to write it as project completion time equals equals 31. The duration it is given in week, 31 weeks. So that's all about sum number 5 in exercise number 10.2. Hari Om.